This is Andretti, where we're gonna go do some go-karting today. This is a super cool place. It's got 2 stories, so you got multi-levels with like elevation changes for go-karts, plus there's a lot more stuff here to do when you're waiting on races. Inside you've got all kinds of arcade games and prizes that you can win. There's event rooms in the back so you can have private events. Tons and tons of incredible arcade games, from racing games to shooting games to whatever. Over here on this side you've got VR games, which is pretty cool, I guess. I haven't been to an arcade in a long time, so I'm not sure how normal that is. Up top in the Mario Suite, that's more of like a corporate event booking that you can book that for, you know, corporate gig or for special parties or whatever. As far as karting goes, they have 3 separate tracks. Over on this side, you see the blue track, and then the green track right here, and then upstairs is the red track for like the kids' go-karts. So let's go ahead and head up there and check it out. They have this awesome viewing deck where you can check out races on all 3 tracks, get a great vantage point of all the awesome elevation changes on the green and the blue tracks. If you hit it just right, sometimes you can almost jump the kart going down these hills, but on the green track at least they do slow you down at some of those points. But I actually like the blue track more. The green track is longer, but the blue track is a little bit more technical. They got this neat corkscrew kind of a thing, and right here at this spot, if you go wide open throttle coming around here, if you hit it just right, you can just really cruise down this hill, and it's a lot of fun. Sort of like that guy right there. Let's go do some karting. Alright, so there are 2 different tracks that we're going to be driving on. The first is the green track, which is the slower track. I think that what I could understand is they limit the kart speeds per track. Man, this positioning is pretty bad. I wish I could scoot forward just a little bit. I should have asked them, but oh well. Come on, there we go. Woohoo! Is this as fast as they go? Oh. They gotta go faster than this. This is lame. Why am I going so slow? There we go. That's better. Oh, these are good. Okay. Come on. Let's get these tires up to speed. Ah! Too much.
You can almost get airborne on this track. Come on, come on. Flat out through there. Slow down. There we go. Come on. This dude in front of me is pretty fast. Flat out, and now we slow down a little bit, catching them, reeling them in. Come on, come on. Flat out through there, go a little wide, up the hill. Flat out through there. Oh wow. And then we go down the hill. Come on. Stay flat out. This is the spot where it always goes wrong. Get back on it. Come on, this. Go wide. Ooh, sorry. There we go. Slow it down. Come around. Wide open. Let off. Half throttle. Through here. Let pass? Screw you, dude. I literally just passed him. I can let pass. This guy come from? That's a good driver. How? Oh, come on. Stop slowing me down. How? Ah, scrubbing the front. Got it. Use the boost coming into when they make you slow down. That's a good strategy. These elevation climbs are so much fun. Woo! Oh. And that's the end of the race.
Alright, we're about to see how we did on that one.
Number 2, then 46, but holy crap.
Shane was 43.9. Yeah, way faster than me, that's for sure. Way faster than, well, way faster than all three of us. So I guess we only had 6 people on our race on the green track, and now we'll go and do the blue track in just a little bit, which, yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty excited to see what the other track is like. All right, we're going out for our second race now, and I did confirm with the track marshal that they're all the same speed, both tracks today. Sometimes we're on different, but we're doing adult races, so they're all fast. So we have a boost button. I don't know if I told you that before. we got a boost button here, and that gives us a little bit extra speed every lap. And now, oh, here we go. I was also able to adjust my seat position and get it a little bit more forward, which I'm not quite sure if that's good or not. All right, we're gonna give him a little bit of a gap here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want a little gap between me and the car in front of me, so that way when we actually start racing, I have room to catch. We're gonna hit our first bit of speed right here. Get these tires nice and warmed up. This track surface, whoop, is really slick, and my seat scooted back on me, so I guess this is where it's gonna be at. That's gonna be fun. Come on, where's the speed? There we go. There's the speed coming up the hill. Just a little bit to walk it around. Oh my gosh, the seat keeps moving on me. I guess we'll leave it all the way back. Oh no! It keeps on moving! Wide open through here, coming down. Oh my gosh, the seat keeps on moving. This is really gonna mess me up. Yep, go ahead, go ahead. The seat keeps on moving on me and it's really screwing me up. Up the hill we go, and around the corner, and up. This stupid seat! I guess we'll just drive with it all the way back and deal with it. Oh my gosh! Oh. Oop. Oh my gosh! The seat is all the way back now. This is not very good. Little sideways around there. We'll do a little too much sideways. Come on. Come here. Go sideways through here. Come through here. We're gonna go wide open. Late apex. Down the hill. And around the corner. Oop, down the hill again. This is where things get sketchy. Alright, we're bunched up. We're moving slow, come on. Ah! Oh, sorry. Come on, man. Okay. Wide. Cut it in. Now we slow down a little bit. Oh, caution. Come on, my man. Let me through.
Dude. Oh. There we go. All right. Well, this gave me a good buffer. This guy was going really slow. I hope he's okay. I did not mean to hit him. There's only so much you can do sometimes. Okay, let's go. Nobody in front of me. We got the space. Let's get going way fast. Come on, come on. This is where we go. Wide, cut it in late apex, here. And then we slow it on down, coming through here to the outside, slow it down, cut it in. There we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Wide, blade apex, wide. You can cut it here, turn, here, turn, and then straight down. I like this track a lot more. That was fun, other than the seat kept not locking. So I smashed into you. I didn't mean to. You went a little sideways, and I was like, no! Wham!
It's all good. I was just like, eh.
Thank you. I like that track. That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. I like that one better.
All right, let's see how we did.
Devin, you barely beat me, man. 39.26. Dang, dude.
You had me beat by like half a second.
Dang!
I really like that track though. That was a lot of fun. Now look, I'm gonna make an excuse. I was slower because I had people in front of me that were going super slow and they wouldn't let me pass. That's my excuse why I wasn't faster. But that was a lot of fun. This place is freaking sweet, man. Having a 2-story go-kart track? Heck yeah, dude. Racing's over, so now it's time to chow down. And dude, so that guy told me the chicken sandwich was good, and look at how big a piece of freaking chicken that is, man. That looks good. Confirmed, the food was pretty dang good. The waiter recommended that chicken sandwich, and yeah, that was good. This is a lot of fun. I will definitely be back here at Andretti here in Gilbert, Arizona to do some more go-karting, because having 2 stories or 2 levels, elevation change the go-karts is a lot of fun, especially in karts that are pretty freaking quick. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and see you next time.